How to bottle homemade sauce is a useful skill. How to clear a blocked drain is a useful household skill. How to print clearly is important for documents. How to accent words correctly is important in language learning. How to please everyone is impossible. How to brand your product effectively is key to success. Where to enter the building is indicated by signs. When to retire is a personal choice. How to cart heavy items safely prevents injuries. When to push and when to pull is shown on many doors. How to brake suddenly is a crucial driving skill. Which to choose is not an easy decision. How to cage a pet safely is important for its well-being. How to brush your teeth correctly is basic hygiene. Where to touch the screen is indicated in many devices. When to turn in an intersection is part of traffic rules. Where to go for vacation remains a topic of debate. How to brave difficult situations is a valuable life skill. How to bug a room secretly is illegal in many countries. Where to put the furniture is the first step in decorating. Where to cross the street safely is taught to children. When to hurry and when to take your time is wisdom. How to fail gracefully is an important life lesson. Which to prioritize is the main issue. How to circle an answer correctly is explained in the test. How to kick the ball correctly is important in soccer. How to battle depression is discussed by mental health experts. What to cap the bottle with is the question. Whom to trust is a difficult decision. Where to invest the money is a crucial decision. When to cry is a natural human response. Whom to nominate for the award is still under discussion. How to care for a plant is explained in gardening books. When to announce the results has not been decided yet. How to taste wine properly is an art. How to cover a book properly protects it from damage. How to contest the decision is unclear. Where to hunt legally is regulated by local laws. What to give as a gift is often a challenging decision. Whom to hire for the job remains unclear.